Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So nice gap up to the 596 area and the top of the rotation zone, spiking through it, then quick sell off all the way down to the 200 period simple moving average, and then returning to that 125% projection level. We had that 125% projection level from these lows. That can be updated now, as well as can the retracement levels. So we'll do a whole end of week wrap up. Key resistance starting for next week. We're going to be watching minor at about 573, more major about 585. And then if we get above the 612 area, that's a 25% retracement. We'll start watching for the gap fill in the top of the rotation zone up to about 635. Switch to that daily chart. So daily chart, let me zoom in a bit. Still very, very oversold conditions. You see the rotation zone now is about 628. So 628 to about 640 is going to be very key levels, and we had 635 on the 4 hour. So those are the key areas you'll be watching for, 628 to 640 on any rally next week. We still have this unfilled gap left behind. Above that, about 688 is the next major cluster area, just below the declining rotation zone. Now, we have a low of 502. Trading below 502, minor support 475, more significant about 444, and then major support coming in at 385 at this point. Let's take a look at that weekly chart. See here, we talked about, again, returning to a weekly rotation zone, closing just inside. Just inside, so weekly rotation zone is still neutral. If it closed below, it would have been bearish. We're still at neutral, and we're at bearish mode still on the 4 hour and the daily. That doesn't mean you can't rally. It just means rallies are shortable or very short-term long trades, but we're favoring the short side still. There is no change in that, and there's no key bottoming pattern. Now, if the markets continue their rally next week, maybe Tesla can get a slight bid and work off some of this oversold condition, but any rally then would be a very short-lived in our view and the technical view so far at this point. So that's what we have for you on Tesla. Hope everyone had a great week, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.